Chapter 4. The Rules of the Game, Warren Buffett's Timeless Investment Playbook. What if I told you success is simply following the right rules, forever? If Berkshire Hathaway was the vehicle, Warren Buffett's rules were the engine. See, by the time Warren transformed a failing textile business into an acquisition powerhouse, he knew something most people never realize. The world of investing doesn't reward speed. It rewards discipline. And discipline starts with a playbook. So, what were Warren's rules? What made him choose Coca-Cola, but not the countless other companies vying for his billions? Let's open the vault. Rule number 1. Buy companies with strong brands. Think about the last time you ordered a drink. Why Coca-Cola and not some generic cola? Warren knew that a brand isn't just a logo, it's a relationship. A strong brand commands customer loyalty, withstands competition, and stays relevant across generations. For Warren, if people couldn't stop talking about it, drinking it, or using it, it deserved his attention. Rule number 2. Look for predictable cash flow. Exciting startups. Fast-moving tech trends. Warren politely passes. Why? Because he doesn't gamble on maybes. He wants businesses that make money every single year, through booms and busts. Insurance companies like Geico. Consumer staples like Coca-Cola. Payments giants like American Express. These are businesses that, no matter the economic climate, keep the cash flowing. If you could predict your own income for the next 10 years with certainty, wouldn't you sleep better at night? That's how Warren sleeps. Rule number 3. Bet on exceptional leadership. A business is only as good as the people steering the ship. When Warren invests, he's not just buying products, he's buying people. Visionaries, operators, problem solvers. Buffett famously said he looks for managers who are so good, they'd be rich without him. Why? Because a great business in the hands of poor leadership is like giving a Ferrari to someone who's never driven before. Rule number 4. Hold for the long term. Now, this is where most people fail. The stock market is a roller coaster, and the temptation to jump on and off is relentless. But Warren, he bought his seat and settled in. Our favorite holding period is forever, he said. He once bought American Express after a scandal tanked its stock price. Everyone else ran. Warren loaded up. Decades later, it's one of Berkshire Hathaway's crown jewels. He didn't just buy a dip. He bought a business he believed in and stuck with it, scandal or not. Now, here's the twist. These aren't just investment rules. They're life rules. Think about it. Build your personal brand so strong that people trust you without question. Design your career or business to deliver steady, reliable income, even during storms. Surround yourself with exceptional people who push you to be better. Commit to your long-term goals with unshakable patience. You see, Warren didn't become a billionaire by chasing fads. He built his fortune brick by brick, using the simple playbook. And the beauty, you can too. Because whether you have $1,000 or $1 billion, these principles work at every level. So here's your moment of reflection. What in your life could use stronger branding? Where could you create predictable cash flow? Who are the exceptional people you should align with? And what dream of yours deserves a lifetime commitment? Let Warren's rules be your guide, not just in investing, but in building the kind of life that compounds in value every single year. And trust me, you're going to want these rules handy for what happens next. Because in Chapter 5, we'll discover how Warren survived disasters, ridicule, and billion-dollar mistakes, and why his greatest strength wasn't picking winners, it was surviving the losses. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss Chapter 5, where we explore how Buffett built a business empire and cemented his legacy. Stay tuned, it's going to be incredible.